Hello friends, the title of the video is Import Liberalization Out of History Books. In one of my video, I had talked about the import substitution policy. India's import substitution policy prohibited the imports of goods and services. According to government's policy, India had followed import substitution policy up to the onset of globalization, that is, up to 1990. But in this video, I will talk about the import liberalization efforts of the government, which are out of history books. India's import liberalization had its root way back in 1960s, during Indira Gandhi's regime. Indira Gandhi government made the devaluation of Indian rupee in 1966, which was a move towards import liberalization. But the stated prime triggers of the devaluation of rupee were successive drought in previous years and depletion of foreign exchange reserve. According to one of the volume of RBI's history notes, the June 1966 decision to devalue the rupee was not only to correct the overvaluation of the rupee, but to move towards a more liberalized trade regime. However, non-trade forex, that is FII, inflows then revolved more around aid or grant negotiation. Hence, the decision of devaluation of Indian rupee was also woven into the aid package. But as expected, the decision to devalue the rupee did not go down well in the political elite, and the government failed to elicit or garner the significant support. The behavior of key indicators were not supportive of the policy change either, because devaluation had failed to push up the export earning or enhance the level of foreign aid. Export earning the year following devaluation, that is 1967-68, declined by 8%. Similarly, the aid package did not materialize. It is concluded that the devaluation was not allowed to work. It failed to stimulate a major shift into the export production, as it is coincided with two successive serious drought. To conclude, import liberalization initiative could not take off as internal indicators of the economy were not supportive. Thank you for watching my video.